Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change the name of your Apple Watch. So if you just got a new Apple Watch, whether the S series or the Ultra, and I want to change name from Apple Watch to a particular name, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change name of your Apple Watch, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Now, while on the settings, scroll down, click on General, then click on About. Unlike your iPhone, you're supposed to be able to change the Apple Watch name via the general settings, but here it's another case. So you need to drop your Apple Watch, go ahead and grab your iPhone. Once you grab your iPhone, go ahead and open the Watch app. On the Watch app, scroll down, locate and click on General. Then click on About. Then go ahead and click on Name. Once you selected name, you can just go ahead, delete whatever you have here, and type in your new Apple Watch name. Once you type in your new Apple Watch name, just go ahead and hit the back button. Then you should see your Apple Watch name here under About. And if you go back to your Apple Watch general page, so just go to the Apple Watch, click on the digital crown, click on Settings. Then under General, so just go click on General and Settings, click on About. Then you should see your Apple Watch name changed. And that is all you need to do when you want to change your Apple Watch name. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.